If you're a fan of mind-blowing technology and jaw-dropping robotics, you're in for a treat today. We're about to introduce you to a robot that's as flexible as a gymnast and as powerful as a hydraulic press. That's right, this bendy robot can easily crush nuts and slice Coke bottles. Are you intrigued yet? You would be. Imagine a robot that moves with the fluidity of a snake, but packs a punch strong enough to obliterate solid objects. It's like something out of a futuristic thriller, but this machine is real and making headlines. Why was such a powerhouse created? That's the big question we're here to explore. From potential uses in heavy industry to everyday applications that could revolutionize how we live, this robot's versatility is as impressive as its strength. And let's be honest, there's something incredibly cool about a machine that can perform feats straight out of an action movie. But what's the story behind this bendy bot? How does it work, and what does its existence mean for the future of robotics? We're gonna break it all down for you. Get ready to dive into the fascinating world of this mechanical marvel and discover why it's capturing the imagination of tech enthusiasts everywhere. Let's jump right in. So, what is currently happening in the tech sector? OpenAI caused a stir recently with the release of an unnervingly flirtatious upgrade to their GPT-4o chatbot. But that wasn't all. Not to be outdone, Unitree debuted the $16,000 G1 humanoid agent, a robotic contortionist capable of doing anything from cracking nuts with its bare claws to wielding a bow staff. If that's not enough to get you to pay attention, it can also take a battering from its human designers. What a resilient bot! The G1 is extremely conscious of what is going on since it uses a 360-degree LiDAR system to evaluate its surroundings. This robot can run at a maximum speed of 4.5 miles per hour, which is comparable to the typical adult jogger's speed. This bot works for approximately 2 hours on a full charge and has between 23 and 43 degrees of joint motor freedom, depending on the type. It is powered by a 13-string lithium rechargeable battery that supports an 8-core high-performance CPU. That's a lot of technology contained in a little 77-pound package. There's a lot to analyze here, and this bot has the potential to change the game. Upon viewing this robot launch, one of the first things that many people may have noticed is that this robot looks a lot like Boston Dynamics' recently unveiled new Spot robot. Well, not the Spot 1, the new one, whatever they're gonna call it, since they do have an all-new Atlas robot that is remarkably identical to this model in regards of how the robot stood up. It's only been 3 weeks since the trailer was released, so we would assume that Unitree was unable to complete this task in that amount of time because it takes a lot of time. However, it does demonstrate that this company is progressing more quickly than many had anticipated, considering this is an amazing achievement given the extent of the work this robot can do at its selling point. It stands at only $16,000, which is less expensive than any other human-like robot that can accomplish the same task. So, what exactly makes this robot tick? How does it manage to move with such fluidity and power? The 360-degree LiDAR technology of the G1 is akin to endowing a robot with extraordinary vision. It makes use of this to maneuver and comprehend its surroundings with amazing accuracy. This enables it to carry out difficult tasks, such as negotiating difficulties or using a bow staff to accomplish some quite amazing combat maneuvers. The movement mechanisms of the robot are even more amazing. The G1 can move in nearly human-like ways thanks to its 43 degrees of flexibility in its joints. Its elasticity allows it to bend and twist in such frightening ways, enabling it to do amazing stunts like somersaults and flips that would make most of us cringe. What makes all these movements possible? All of this is powered by a 13-string lithium rechargeable battery and a powerful 8-core CPU. The G1 can work at a high level for up to 2 hours before requiring a battery recharge thanks to its powerful configuration. Furthermore, the robot easily folds up for storage or transportation when it is time to relax. What's the deal with the Unitree Robot Unified Large Model, or UNIFO-LM? How do reinforcement and imitation learning work for the G1? What advantages does this provide in terms of the robot's performance and adaptability? The Unitree Robot Unified Large Model, or UNIFO-LM, is one of the G1's most notable characteristics. The G1 can benefit from its observations and get better over time because its framework is based on replication, development, and feedback. It's similar to owning a robot that learns more with use. The creativity doesn't end there either. Over-the-air OTA upgrades for the G1 are available thanks to Unitree. This implies that the robot can receive updates, enhancements, and bug patches without requiring human assistance. The G1 continuously improves its capabilities by staying up to speed with the newest developments, just the way your smartphone receives upgrades to its software. You might be wondering how this design choice enhances the robot's durability and ease of transport. The G1's body and limbs house all connections, giving it a smooth and organized appearance. This design decision not only makes the robot seem better, but also shields the wires from harm, and enables the robot to collapse into a small package when it is not in use. With a weight of about 77 pounds, it is remarkably light and portable, making it useful for a variety of applications. However, the G1 isn't causing a stir by itself. Robotic innovation is exploding in the tech sector. Boston Dynamics hinted at a follow-up to its well-known Atlas robot just a month ago. Like the G1, this new bot demonstrated an astounding and slightly disturbing level of adaptability. Both Boston Dynamics' latest invention and Unitree's G1 test the limits of what we think is possible for robots. These aren't simply simple command-following machines, they're sophisticated, flexible, and getting better at doing things that people used to think only humans could do. But there's something eerie about all this progress. It may be both amazing and unsettling to see robots like this maneuver with such natural grace. So what does the existence of the G1 mean for the future of robotics? How might this technology be applied in industrial settings, homes, and disaster response scenarios? What are the potential benefits and challenges? And the big question on everyone's mind, what about job displacement? How might robots like the G1 impact the job market? And what can be done to address these concerns? It demonstrates, among other things, how far robotics' adaptability and strength have come. These devices are no more rigid, sluggish machines. They can easily handle complicated duties since they are flexible, nimble, and quick. The list of possible uses is extensive. Robots such as the G1 could do tedious or hazardous activities in manufacturing environments, increasing productivity and security. They could help with household duties and support individuals with restricted movement. Additionally, their aptitude for navigating difficult surroundings may make them important in industries like humanitarian assistance. But these developments also raise some questions. The issue of job loss is unavoidable as robots get more sophisticated. Which positions currently held by humans will these robots soon substitute? There are no simple answers to this complex problem. Robots can perform hazardous or disagreeable activities, but they additionally bring up questions about the nature of labor in the future and the demand for new occupations. Unitree's G1 humanoid agent offers an exciting look at what robotics may be like in the years to come. It's a strong, adaptable device that can handle everything from routine to remarkable jobs. The G1 robot demonstrates the remarkable capabilities of contemporary robotics, whether it is smashing nuts, slicing Coke bottles, or fighting. We're about to enter an exciting or a little unsettling period as we strive to push the limits of what robotics can accomplish. Tech aficionados are fascinated by these devices, and conversations about future possibilities of employment, ethics, and the place of robots in everyday life are being sparked by them. So, what do you think about the G1? Are you excited about the possibilities, or do you find the rapid advancement of robotic technology a bit unnerving? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with all our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.